Savory vegetable and oat casserole. Prepare the ingredients. Place in a saucepan 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups of water, 2 cups of soy milk and 1 cup of nutritional yeast. Place a saucepan on a high heat and bring to the boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer, stirring occasionally until the oats are cooked. About 10 minutes. Meanwhile, finely dice 1 onion, finely chop 1 garlic clove, finely slice 2 cups of mushrooms, dice 1 zucchini into small bite-sized pieces, dice 1 large tomato into small bite-sized pieces. Finally shred 2 handfuls of kale. Finally chop 1 tablespoon of rosemary and 1 handful of fresh parsley. Heat a frying pan over a high heat, add the onion and garlic, and saute until golden brown. Add the sliced mushrooms, add the rosemary, add the tomatoes, and saute for a few minutes. Add the shredded kale and stir until it's slightly wilted. Add the vegetables to the oats and stir well. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve topped with walnuts and a sprinkle of nutritional yeast.